YouTube channel. Today's new video: 11 best ways to how to make money on Instagram. In 2022, there have never been better time money on Instagram. Your request source not maybe situation Instagram in fact make and every target per post will help motivation and support social reach. It's also because Instagram has highlights agreement rate my established brand and activity looking collection on Instagram privacy real good money afford the not double that's Instagram is powerful is grow over 1 billion user in just 8 years. This photo share platform is manager is one different social media channels of team and the best of about you that's needed have mega capability status to average the optimization on Instagram source being kids in junior in making our $1 million per post sound gets displayed instigation with just thousands of followers also make decent income the parts less concentration very multiple financial investment to get started. How the what is strategy? In this post you will find some future Instagram invest management more platform. We highlight the top 10 strategy, give details and make money Instagram. Here are our 10 ways to make money Instagram. Let's dive right. Table of constant. First publish suspended posts because brand 3 promote affiliate links, sell physical product, sell digital product, create virtual content and sell print photograph, provide marketing service, write caption at business, create make and filter, obtain freelancer client frequency and ask question summary. First publish your suspended post. This is one of the most popular ways to make money on Instagram or platform think probably and core access has suspended or ads before. But how does it work? We fresh never needed in fact the word around so much these days and can defend understanding infection our people we building follower online posting recent content audience these are request viewer optimization topic good in fact themeful and finger instrument and more value content the audience more earn ads already now your personal life and trust something task takes terms and brand so audience have content brand and suspicion supported content around special and brand nissan hosting and temporary improvement online feeder trade commission FTS requirement the post suspension which after seen its support the bed is state about university recording in my heart not be doing very let me not along access these because this something is for to make good money suspension post Instagram you are needed have gained followers reach is show in fact our 1 millions of followers and earn $1,000 per post if you music that years 20 hours trillion. What is improvement brand audience content communicate and share content a great example and budget make good money for Instagram either Carbony he ever 13 Instagram accounts earn around hours every comments are supported post second become a brand establisher a brand some who promote brand and its products the network was object of brand and helping drive sale so how to actually defend from supported posts the main of defense that's regular spec product post once began the operate workload interfectional themes and possible product these followers understand very approved brand because of many brands are looking for brand they are looking to pay good money something starting celebrant range we looking because brand able drive and choose brand niche brand for regularity post workout videos make sense useful with brand of course 3 promote your affiliate links because popular way to make money Instagram and getting start also simple first you needed identify brand with affiliate program that's your interest work with secondly you register affiliate program after registering and because affiliate partner and get track will promote code Treasury promote your product Instagram account and include the link promote code if your followers follow the links and purchase your earn commission for sale Instagram a reset generator program it's not affiliate links is show image about improvement the money earned affiliate because commission for sale physical product the post of above option you have very posting message from other brand promote code you are just brand and product promote them audience hour of can sales product Instagram is query online that platform automatically transform post from Instagram feed into e-commerce store the step simply brown 3 simply state content square to Instagram account text item your Instagram post event sale click publish and launch your owner Aspire page we Instagram great state ones of selling product 5 sell digital product the ones are because you can physical product anything. 6. Create vertical content for sale. 7. Printing photos. Like my video, subscribe my channel for latest mission updates. Thanks for watching.